My daughter asked me to make over her mailbox. Here's how we did it for under $20. Hey, Mom! When I got to her house, her mailbox looked like this, and I decided I just didn't want to deal with it. But then this happened. Did you want to say something too? Aww. Aww. What? What did you have to say? Hmm? Hmm? So my daughter did all the hard work clearing out all the weeds and debris, and I was all in. And we were off to the store. I was actually surprised at how cheap everything was to remake the mailbox. We didn't need too many things, and my daughter took care of loading and unloading, and all I had to do is give her my recommendations. This was pretty easy. She even has a small planter that she can change out with annuals by the season. And here's the final result. So how do you like the makeover? Doggy kisses are always a seal of approval. So again, if you like to see DIYs like this, please subscribe to Hey Maaa and give us a like. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.